trying to video fireworks. And my phone is ringing.
Can you hear the song?
Videoing.
Take a break.
Baby.
Baby. What are you calling me for?
Making me video with one hand.
You can see here, let me zoom in for you people. You see those flashing lights? That's the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. It's lighting up. That means that sometime soon it should start. Burj Al Arab here. You might not be able to see it, but there's a green light going up the side of it. You can just about faintly see it. That means it's lighting up as well, which means
1 more minute.
that, as you just heard my cousins shout out, 1 more minute. What is that? Oh, it's the flashlight. 1 more minute until.
Oh, it's starting.
Alright, it's starting. There we go.
Oh, and there we go, baby. Flowers.
Burj Khalifa's going off. Look at that. Look at that. Burj Al Arab is getting ready. It's all lighting up now. The Burj Khalifa's going crazy. It looks like a big Christmas tree. This is 6 minutes long. And yeah, I can see it. 6 minutes long. And 420,000 fireworks are being used today. Atlantis is back here. Oh, you can't see it really. Let me carry on with the photo. Huh? This is 6 minutes.
It's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning.
Dun dun dun!
It's burning.
It's burning down!
Here we go.
Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, Burj Al Arab doesn't look like he wants to explode the fireworks because they're on crack. I mean, it didn't go off.
Yeah. You see, it's just sitting there glowing.
Burj Al Arab looks like.
But anyway, the Burj Khalifa is going crazy right now. It's
I
just
know the
exploding
commentary
too
is not the
much.
best, guys, but just enjoy it, be quiet, and just watch the video.
Someone's having a party down there.
People running.
You can, oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at them, man.
Across the road from us, there are people having a
Look at that. You see all these people here?
As you can see on
They've
the
parked
bridge,
up on the bridge.
parked up.
They just parked to watch.
Running down the bridge to see the fireworks. It's totally mayhem here in Dubai. Please send
Sends back up.
Oh, here we go. We're starting. We're starting.
You see, you got
It's
people
almost-
playing music.
It's almost 12 o'clock.
Got some music in the background down here.
We started a long time ago.
Yeah.
It's 12:01.
Where's the bird? The thing that starts in Palm Jumeirah.
Well, let's go to that party. They sound like they're having fun.
I know. I think we need to go join them. The Burj Al Arab, I don't know what it's doing with its life. It's just sitting there looking a bit happy. The Palm Jumeirah is going? No. So far, it's just the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Al Arab isn't done anything yet. Neither has the Palm Jumeirah.
It's not 12 o'clock there yet.
Why? How many
The time is
different?
with France.
In front, how many?
It's possible.
It must be
The
time.
palms, they didn't make no fireworks for
Or even the palm should be a big one. Oh, I can see it now. I can see the palm.
Really?
Yeah, I can see the palm.
Oh, yeah, you can see it. That's Atlantis.
Okay, this is us moving, trying to. Oh yeah! Backside building's in the way.
Yeah, outside the
This stupid building here. Let me zoom out so you all see it. This dumb building is blocking the main event, or the second main event, should I say?
world record.
The world record is over that side, and the Palm Jumeirah where my dad is, which
6
he's probably
minutes
crapping himself
of
right now
fireworks and
because all he's hearing
Oh
out his
my
window
God.
is explosions. He's
Okay,
probably
I've had
thinking
enough.
there's a war going on.
We wish you a happy Christmas.
What? Where are you coming from? Oh, look at that. What? No. No, look at them.
Sorry, yeah, maybe. That's enough video.
Yeah, no, I think I should just stop now. Hey, Deep. Okay, this is the fireworks anyway. You enjoyed it? Yeah? Good? That's it for now.